Controversial lawyer Male Mabirizi once again appeared before High Court Judge Boniface Wamala seeking to block Justice Musa Ssekaana's order for his arrest to serve the 18-month jail sentence imposed to Mabirizi for contempt of court. Mabirizi, who today chose to represent himself, was contesting all his 3 interim applications reallocated to Justice Boniface Wamala. In his applications, Mabirizi claimed that he was sent to prison without a fair hearing from court and asked Justice Wamala to order for his temporary release from jail pending an appeal.
The proceedings of 15th February were in execution of the orders of 27th January. So in brief, I pray that the purported appeal be disregarded and struck out so that I can regain my liberty.
State Attorney Hilary Abira in his submission further asked court to deny lawyer Mabirizi's request since the matter had been already determined by Justice Christopher Madrama 2 weeks ago.
The applicant is permitted to apply to either the Court of Appeal or the High Court to stay the orders of the High Court. When the applicant chose to run to the Court of Appeal and the Court of Appeal determined the same, this court lost the jurisdiction to determine the same matters. So I pray that the application is dismissed with costs.
In his ruling, Justice Wamala dismissed Mabirizi's application on ground that it had been overtaken by events and that the request was an act of abuse against the court process. Mabirizi was then ordered to pay a cost to the Attorney General.
I find that this application has been overtaken by events and is as such an abuse of the court process. I therefore uphold both preliminary objections raised by the Respondent's Counsel and dismiss this application with costs to the respondent.
Justice Musa Ssekaana jailed Mabirizi for 18 months over contempt of court following an application by Attorney General Kiryowa Kiwanuka to have him committed to civil remand for contempt of court. According to court records, Mabirizi allegedly abused Justice Ssekaana on his social media platforms after he was ordered to pay a fine of 300 million shillings. Simon Chris Makanga, CTV, PM Edition.